weather's really nice, but the yard looks like a jungle. I have never started our chainsaw before. I pulled it out, brought it up here on the deck, and I'm gonna try. I called my husband. He told me what I'm supposed to do. So we're gonna do it. All right? Okay, let's see if I can do this. Hey, welcome to Graham Central. Okay, he said, push the button, pull the trigger, push the button all the way down. That'll hold it. Then I gotta pull this. Rope here until it acts like it's gonna start. This sucker's so heavy. It's like heavier than anything I've packed in a long time. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Woo! All right, I can do this. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was easier. That was easier. Oh, that kind of acted like it wanted to start. Okay, I'm going to pull up one, he said, and then pull it. Heavy. My arms are worn out. I still have one more tree in the back, I think. You know, that's a pretty small tree. I'm just going to drag that one out because this machine is so heavy. I'm going to try to get the limbs out of the yard and see if I can mow. This is a lot for just one person when you've never done it. My husband's always the one that takes care of this stuff, and he's in Utah. Whew. I'm so proud of myself. Do things that are hard. It makes you feel great. One thing we don't have yet is a wheelbarrow. Is it a barrow or barrel? We don't have one yet, so that would really make jobs a lot easier. So that's probably something we should probably try to get a hold of here in the future. I want to show you guys the apricot tree, and I'm gonna clean up this mess, try to pull out all the limbs out of the yard. So let's do that.
Keep talking sweet, keep sugar on, baby. I got you good, I got you sweet, got you on hold. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Keep moving fast, keep moving slow, keep rhythm on, baby. You got me good, you got me sweet, got me on hold. Baby knows what I want, baby knows just how I'm feeling now. You got me locking, popping, stopping, rocking, freaking and freewheeling for a while. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. I may be here, I may be there, I may be gone, baby, just for a while. 'Cause when you smile,
I'm worried I'm getting chiggers. I better not. It's miserable when you have chigger bites. Absolutely miserable. All right. Got some trash back here. We're going to pull out these trees that Michael cut down before he left. Oh, that one is kind of big. I might need to cut that one a little bit. Dang. All right, let's see if I can do this.
my baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Mama used to say, Mama used to say, Mama used to say, Mama used to say, baby knows
Cut that one in two.
what I'm all about. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Knows, baby knows what I'm all about.
Ivy thorns got me.
My baby knows, my baby knows, baby knows, my baby knows what I'm all about.
Well, one thing that I thought about as I was working on our yard is how much I had taken for granted that my husband did the yard work. This job is very hard. It's hot outside. You've got bugs chewing on your legs. The equipment is heavy. There's all the bending over and the lifting. Having this experience makes me think of others that don't have somebody to help them mow their yards, especially people that can't do it themselves. Like, I really did take my husband for granted. So, babe, just so you know, I get it now, and I'm so appreciative when you keep our yard beautiful. Those of you that see our videos know that Michael he loves to work in the yard and keep it beautiful. One of these days, I'm going to get me one of those zero-turn mowers. This is my dad's. This lawnmower did a great job in the yard. When I went to mow out front, I wasn't as comfortable because of the way that the terrain is. I didn't feel like this was the right mower. I have to stop here for a second. In a previous video, I told you about this chair. This was my grandmother's front porch swing. And as a kid, I remember we would come in the summers and she had this sitting outside on her front porch. And we would sit out there and swing and, visit. My Uncle Coy had this in his yard. And I asked him one day what he was going to do with it and if I could have it. And he said, come get it. So that's what I did. And I cherish this little bench. It's got one little spot that's missing. One of these days I'm going to find the part and get it fixed. About driving along this fence line right here with the lawnmower. We found a turtle right here one day. This time of year here in Oklahoma, it is turtle straddling season. They are always crossing the highway and you just got to drive over the top of them without hitting them with your tires. That's what most people do. Some people use them for target practice, which is kind of sad. But, yep, turtle straddling season. every 6 months or so, we have to come around this backside and pull this vine out from behind the wall. It just sneaks up and tries to separate the siding. If we were here full time, I know we would have such a beautiful yard and everything would be manicured. It's kind of hard to keep up with. I'm considering selling the property. It would break my heart, really. This house has been a dream of mine for so long. I just think that it's too big and too much. It's more than we can handle. If all the big projects were done, it would be no problem at all. We need a roof, we need wiring, septic tank, water, and a floor plan. The yard looks so nice when it's all mowed, and I'm so grateful for my husband when he does the yard. This was really hard. It was a lot, but I did it, and I'm proud of myself.